Welcome folks, this is a video for Tozilla Reviews. It's for 100 LED solar outdoor lights. It's made with IP65 waterproof plastic, ABS plastic, and has a 270 degree wide angle, easy to use, easy to mount solar lights. Has 3 modes, which I'm going to demonstrate there. Has a 1800 milliamp battery. The sensor that's on there, the PIR, is for 10 to 26 feet. It depends where you have it and how high you have it leveled. It comes with two 100 LED motion lights, which I already have one for the demonstration for later. I'll show you what each little button does, or modes do. And 4 plastic anchors, 4 screws, and a user manual. Alright, just this is what they look like when you right out of the box. And the thing about this is it comes ready to use right out of the box. You don't have to worry about charging it with the sun, and you get another extended warranty on this. So this is a great company. They back up your product. They back up their product 100%. Well, anyway, when you open this up, it's already in plastic, really ready to go. And here are the screws that you get for sheetrock, or if it's something that's not solid, you put these little plastic pieces in. But unfortunately, mine's already mounted. I already have the other one. It's outside, ready to go. I'm going to show you each mode. But here it is. It's durable plastic. This is the one I-65 plastic. Easy to use, easy to mount. Okay, so let's go outside and check it out. All right, welcome back, folks. Okay, this is mode 1. Mode 1 is it only gets activated if somebody walks by. Watch. There it goes. And it lasts 15 seconds. So we're going to get out of the light and wait. And it shuts off. And this is mode 1. Alright, here's mode 2. I'm going to set it. And this is how you know. There's a little button up here in the top here. It's right below the PIR. I don't think you can see it, but I'm going to push it. That lets you know 1, 2. That's mode 2. Alright? And what mode 2 does, mode 2 has a low-level luminant light on. Sorry about the other one. This is another solar-powered light, but sorry about it being shined. But when you walk by, this is what happens. It lights up your path, so you don't stumble, trip out. And that's mode 2, and it lasts 15 seconds. Mode 3, which I'll show you when I program it right now. Mode 3, for this light, will blink 3 times, and this will stay on. It will not do anything. It only has the low drain level of the light and the luminance, and it won't get any brighter, and it will last for about 8 hours. And see, you can move it, it's not going to do anything. It just stays at one common light. Just great for like a porch light, or driveway, whatever you use it for, backyard. But I prefer it to be on level 1. It only comes on if there's movement. Now that's off. I'm sorry, that is off. This is 1, and it will only come on if somebody walks by it. So, all right, now you've seen how these lights work. I recommend this this product for you to use, and it has a extended warranty. And if you have any problems, they are guaranteed behind their product. They want you to contact them first with your order ID number, and it has a 2-year warranty. So if you're gonna order this, I'll have the link down below to subscribe. If not, you can contact Yoko's team at hotmail.com, and they will tell you how to order this product. Again, thank you again, folks. If you like what you've seen, follow me, share, and subscribe.